Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
You hold my camera while I do it?
Yeah, well.
Okay.
Do I hold my phone like this or like this?
Yeah, hold my phone sideways, because then you can see like the whole entire thing. You know?
Guys, we're doing a video today with JJ, the wild child, whatever his name is. And
I got the drifter. I'm a drifter.
it's the Razor 360 Tornado.
Yeah.
And we're going down this big hill.
All right.
Why is your camera so much better than mine? I don't know, but let's go. Why is my hoverboard beeping? I don't know. Let's go.
We're going now?
Yeah, let's go.
So I gotta be careful going down here, right?
He has no brakes. What is it? You do be zooming though. You gotta go fast.
Oh my God, I'm stuck.
Whoa, my hoverboard just shut off. That's great. Yo, give me 1 second.
I'll get like out of this stuck position.
Cool. Ah! My hoverboard keeps just yanking. Like it's like Yeetsies. Whew.
Well, let me get out of this little pickle.
It's like, get off me right now. Oh my gosh, what's this hoverboard doing? It's moving itself. I'm trying to stand, guys, I'm trying to stand still. It's throwing me off. We should go see the geese with the cameras. Let's go. Okay. Oh, my hoverboard just shut off. Give me 1 second, guys. Well, my camera's view's gonna be like face down for 1 second. I'm turning off my hoverboard and setting it on the side of the road. If someone runs over there, they're like retarded. Okay, I'm walking. At least my feet don't turn on me like that.
Bro. This thing is terrible. It goes downhill.
Faster, JJ, faster! What is he doing? He's going.
Oh God. My shoe just fell off.
Try to ride it back up. I think we should start heading back up before we have to walk up the whole way. Are you coming? You want me to end the videos?
I'll do my outro whenever you're about to end the videos. Man, this thing gives me a wedgie every time I sit. Seriously, bro.
Here, take your phone.
You wanna ride this?
No,
Okay.
take your phone.
So guys, that was me going down the hill.
Let's take a tour of the geese now. Let's see if it hisses at us this time.
Yeah, we're gonna go see a mama goose. That's kind of mean.
Yeah, she's laying on her eggs, and then her husband's down there, or her guy, I guess. Here, you can take that up there. 'Cause I didn't get my hoverboard. She's down there at the pond.
I'll be back with you whenever we get everything ready. We're about to get out of here.
I'm gonna make a new video, you guys, and we're gonna be down there. So come back for part 2.